I know there's all different methods to cook rice. This is how I do it. Grab a cup, cook 1 cup of rice, put that in. And the most important step, you have to rinse the rice. Rinse all the starch, rinse anything off it. Just rinse it under cold water until it's not cloudy. This way when the rice is cooked, it won't stick together and clump up. All right, rice rinsed. Use my measuring spoon. And do a touch less than 2 cups. I want to season it before it starts cooking. A little bit of salt. And then let this come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we'll cover it, let it simmer 20 minutes about, turn off the heat, and let it sit uncovered for about 10 minutes. That's my method for cooking rice. Usually works out. So after my rice simmered, I let it sit with the cover on for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just going to take a fork, fluff it up. The rice is ready. It's perfectly cooked.